Hi everyone. Today's video about product from the AliExpress, from the lithium battery. What you better don't buy from this site. If you're looking for the quality product, if you're looking for a really proper battery, don't buy this product from the AliExpress at all. Try eBay. Make sure warranties works, because this supplier telling on the AliExpress about 2 years warranty. It's never happened. I bought this battery about 6 months ago, and I got problems immediately. I just drive in my go-kart about 7 minutes, and after it was less for 5 minutes, after 3 minutes, after it stopped running at all. It's lithium battery. I expect running about few hours, but not for 3 minutes time. When I check this battery with my voltmeter, 2 cells was gone. I contacted my supplier about 4 months ago. He didn't answer me at all. After he's answered me about 2 weeks time, when I sent him emails every day, and he's promised me send me back about these 2 cells. He's never do this. He's never did this. After I contact AliExpress, I did complain twice about this, and also I never got any answer about this. I spent for this battery $550. I paid also €80 for custom charge. After I opened this battery myself, it was not really easy, and test my battery by myself. I spent a lot of time, and now I'm not running at all. At the moment, I back to my old battery for my gel battery and use this battery and driving only about 20-25 minutes time. That's my story. And guys, like I says, don't buy any product from AliExpress, because I think if they not very good, if you not look after customers in this stage, they definitely not look after customers for other products, because this product not cost 10 or 15 euros. This product cost at the moment more than 600 euros. And if Chinese think we rich, no, we're not rich. We save money from everything. We bought product when we save money, and after we try build some projects, and we need these parts, and we're looking for quality. We're looking for responsibility from them. Like I says, don't buy products, don't buy batteries, don't trust them about them warranty. Try eBay and make sure they do warranty proper, because lithium battery always give you problems. I think about 40-50% of the batteries in a few months time can lose the power by 1 or 2 cells. And after, you have to open battery, or local electrician have to open this battery for you, and you have to contact your supplier, and you have to take more parts, spare parts for this. Thanks for watching. Thanks everyone.